Check it out, the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. It's finally here, and this has everything you guys have been asking for. What a game-changing difference it makes in the appearance of this vehicle. We'll show you through some of the features here quickly. No matter which music app you use, Apple Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, the SiriusXM app, you'll be able to see your songs, nice big cover art, and it looks truly incredible. Any of the Maps apps also, Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, or any other Maps app, you'll have easy access to beautiful navigation.
Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first left.
Siri is super powerful with this device. Hey Siri, text Eli.
What do you want to say to Eli?
The new Tacoma conversion kit looks incredible.
It says, the new Tacoma conversion kit looks incredible. Send it?
Send it. I don't think Siri's quite as excited as we are about this. We'll continue showing you through the features here. What sets this system apart from new cars, you can load any app available on the Google Play Store onto the device directly. That means outside of CarPlay, you have access to apps that might not be available even on brand new vehicles. This makes the system really, really powerful. We have preloaded an inclinometer on this system, which means you'll be able to see the angles of your vehicle just like an airplane. So for those of you who like to off-road, it's going to be awesome. We also have your compass here. Coming back to CarPlay, I'll show you the backup camera works just like a brand new vehicle. Shifting to reverse will bring up the backup camera, and back to park takes you immediately back to CarPlay. You can see also the steering wheel controls work fully, volume up and volume down here. We have tech support based in Raleigh, North Carolina, available at 919-858-2890. We'd be happy to chat with you about your Tacoma. This is going to be compatible with any of the 2014 to 19 Tacomas that have the JBL system or the slightly more premium head unit. For the ones that have the base head unit, unfortunately, this will not fit in your tooling. But if you have this style of trim, it's compatible with your Tacoma. That's how you'll know. If you have this trim that looks like this, you'll be good to go. Of course, we're here to help. Give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check out the product, HamiltonMotorCompany.com.